everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm creating a really cute, summery, glowy, islandy look. I think it's going to be a really great summer, end of summer look, and I'm really excited to show you. And I have a couple life updates, so I'll talk about them as I do my makeup. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Glossier Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen. This is 35 SPF. I like this because you don't get the white cast of other sunscreens. It's great for your face and it's very, very lightweight. So I'm applying that. Where I am is really, really hot. And that's because I moved to Grenada, which is a Caribbean island. I go to med school here at St. George's University. I'm in my second year of med school and I have my apartment here and I'm gonna be here for the next couple months. So I really need a sunscreen every day and I can't keep wearing like the Neutrogena sunscreens because they really leave a white cast. It feels very heavy on my skin. I noticed that when I was wearing it every day, it kind of broke out. So this sunscreen is perfect because it's lightweight, it smells nice, and it's good for everyday wear. When I go to the beach or if I know I'm going to be out in the sun for a very long time, I'll still wear my Neutrogena because that's higher SPF, but I wear this on a daily basis. So definitely loving this. I love how it feels. It's a great everyday sunscreen for your face. Then I'm going in with my Trader Joe's Rose Facial Oil. I'm just going to massage it into my skin. Funny story about this facial oil. So I started in January 2020 and then went home in March 2020 because of COVID. And I left a bunch of my stuff in storage. And honestly, it happened so quickly that I don't even remember what I left and what I didn't. But when I opened my storage this year, I finally found my rose facial oil. It's from Trader Joe's. But I don't think that you can get them anymore. I don't think they still have them on the shelves because I've looked multiple times throughout the year and I've never seen this facial oil again. So it's really nice that I get one last pump out of my rose facial oil. The rose oil is great because it's going to keep your skin hydrated, and especially we want a little bit of a glowy look, so this oil base is going to shine through our foundation and it's going to look nice. So I just went ahead and dampened my beauty sponge. I'm going to start with my foundation. I'm using the Rare Beauty Foundation. I'm the shade 360W. So it's actually quite full of foundation. I love little knobs because my fingers ache from studying a lot, so these knobs are just amazing to open the foundation up. I've used this foundation about once or twice now and I love the finish. I just like medium to full coverage foundation, so it's good. So I'm just applying dots and then blending in. I think this blends in really well. I'm finishing my last semester on the island. I would have been here for 2 years, but I've been doing most of med school from home because of COVID, and they finally called us back for what would be my last semester on the island. So my second 2 years would be back in the States. And I'm in my second half of my second year of med school, and just really excited to be here. There's a lot to see. It's a very, very, very beautiful country. Okay, wow, I really like this base. And I've definitely noticed that the base just looks so much better when I apply it with a damp beauty sponge as opposed to when I'm lazy and I just apply it dry. Now I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using my OG Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is the shade 35 Deep Foncé. I've been on the island now for 2.5 weeks. I've really been enjoying it. School has started in full swing. I did go out and venture a little bit, went to the beaches and stuff. I'm excited to definitely upload some vlogs because it's a very unique experience and I just have some really great friends and I want to make sure I remember these moments because definitely a very once-in-a-lifetime experience for me. I have to say I'm really liking my base. So because I had some limited items I could bring, I actually didn't even bring a setting powder because to be honest, I forgot. So we can't set our makeup here, but that's fine. We're just gonna have to make do without it. But if you have a translucent powder or a setting powder, please use it. It'll definitely set your concealer in place so that it doesn't crease. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick. So I'm just taking a dark brown eyeshadow and just applying that as my brow shade today. What I like to do if I think that my eyebrows are a little too dark is I'll take like a light eyeshadow shade and with like a fluffy brush, just go over my eyebrow. And it makes the eyebrows look a little less harsh. Eyebrows are done. So now moving on to my eyeshadow. I'm using this beautiful palette. It's called The Queen by Eloise. It just has the most gorgeous colorful tones. So I'm starting in with this color Sheba. And just taking some of my brush, and I'm really just applying it right on the top of my crease. If I had a bit of a more smaller, precise brush, I'd probably use it, but this is all I brought. I'm going to switch gears here for a second and apply my lipstick first because I want to make sure that my eyeshadow looks good with the lipstick that I'm applying. And it's like a very bold, colorful lipstick. So I'm just going to apply it first so that I know everything is going to look good. I'm using this lipstick by MAC. It's the Patrick Starr and MAC collaboration. And this is the shade Hey Boy Hey. It's a very pretty purple fuchsia shade. And it's super pigmented. This is literally like one swipe. I'm just going in with a lip liner and just gonna kind of clean up the edges. So now I'm just gonna finish the eyes. For my lid, I'm using this shade called Funny Girl. It's in my OG palette, Tarte Lit and Bloom. I just think this is such a pretty champagne color, especially for brown skin like mine, because it has a little bit of a golden undertone. And then I'm gonna kind of blend this in. So now I'm gonna go in with my blush. I'm using my Lift Tinted Hue Stick. This is the shade Rise. It has a bit of an orangey undertone. So it looks like a terracotta orangey color. I made a whole review on it. You can use it as an eyeshadow, a lipstick, color correcting, and a blush. So today I'm using it as a blush because I love the blushy color that it gives. Sorry if there's some background noise. So I'm just applying it here and then pulling it out. Kind of brought it in a little bit for that sun-kissed vibe going here. And then I'm going in with my highlight. I'm using the MAC Studio Quick Trick Stick. It's this blush and highlight duo, but I'm just using the highlight side. And I'm just going to apply it up here. And just on my nose. I like that this is like a balmy type of highlight. It just glides on because especially for a more glowy summery look, I don't like using too many powdery products. I like the more balmy, glowy products. If I did have my Glossier Future Dew, I would 100% be using that, but I didn't have room to bring it with me, so I had to part ways with it. But I'm just applying a brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And then last but not least, I'm just going to apply mascara. So the mascara that I used was the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. So this is my fun, glowy Island Glam look. I'd wear this out if I was going to a really cute, classy dinner. That's basically with my life update. I moved to a Caribbean island to finish my second year of med school. I am outside on my balcony. It's so pretty. I'll show you guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! She's a Mona Lisa.